Hello everyone. Ahmed Tarek here today. Soft Learning Channel. I want to speak about Excel introduction. Excel is application from Microsoft Office package. What about the Excel advantages? We have 9 benefits of Microsoft Excel. Best way to store data. You can perform calculations. All the tools for data analysis. Easy to data visualizations with charts. You can print reports easily. So many free templates to use. You can code to automate, transform and clean data. Store data with millions of rows. What is the importance for Excel? Microsoft Excel enables users to identify trends and organize and sort data into meaningful categories. Excel also performs human resources functions, such as sorting worked hours and organizing employee profiles and expenses, which help businesses better understand the structure and activities of their workforce. And we can make good database to track all business data. We can make math calculations. We can make arithmetic and engineering mathematical. We can make financial accounting. We can make data analysis. We can make charts. We can make infograph. We can make dashboards. We can make programming application with Visual Basic Programming Language in order to manage all the projects and business. Like sales projects, cashier projects, restaurant projects, production processes projects.